I really would want to encourage all of you, all the site holders who are buying diamond from the NDTC, to make sure that you improve your efficiency, your operational efficiency, to make sure that all the diamonds that you buy from the NDTCs is polished and cut locally. That's the only way we are going to actually create a thriving industry. And therefore, I would like to encourage all the employees of Finestar to make sure that the opportunity actually provided to you, you make use of that opportunity and learn as much as possible to make sure that the high-level skills that we need for the industry is available within the local economy. And again, from what I've seen from the video, that seems to be happening. Somebody who said they started off as a cleaner and now actually they are doing some high-level polishing work, and therefore that is something I think as employees you must take advantage of. Again, to Finestar, we just want to welcome you as an investor. Namibia continue to promote investment within the economy in all our sectors. But we also continue to say the kind of investors we want to have is those investors, those which are going to create a win-win situation. Investment that is mutually beneficial to the investors, of course, but also to the Namibian people. And again, from what I've seen, you seem to be doing that, and then we look forward to continue to work with you. And whatever it is, what we can do to make sure that the investment becomes a success. And as it was said, it's an ecosystem. We are part of that to make sure that it succeeds. And therefore, if there's anything else that we can do more to make your investment more successful, please do knock on our doors. I just thought I was getting a diamond now.
Sir, it's all yours.